Multiplying integers is easier when you follow one rule first. Decide the sign, then multiply the numbers. Remember this phrase: same signs mean positive, different signs mean negative. Let's try a few examples. Positive 6 times positive 4. Both signs are the same, so the answer is positive. 6 times 4 is 24. The answer is positive 24. Now, negative 5 times negative 3. Same signs again, so the answer is positive. 5 times 3 is 15. The answer is positive 15. What about positive 8 times negative 2? Different signs mean negative. 8 times 2 is 16, so the answer is negative 16. Here's another. Negative 7 times positive 5. Different signs, so the answer is negative. 7 times 5 is 35, so the answer is negative 35. Always check the signs first. Same signs, positive. Different signs, negative.